noisy train. Poppy and Sam live at Apple Tree Farm with their parents, Mr. and Mrs. Boot, and Rusty the dog. They are very excited today because they're going on a steam train. Rusty is excited too. Can you find a little yellow duck on every page? They hurry along to the station where they meet Poppy and Sam's teacher, Mrs. Jones. "Look out," shouts Sam, "the train is coming." The train goes chuff, chuff, chuff. Rusty and the children get on the train. The guard blows his whistle and shouts and shuts the door. Whistle, clunk, and the train goes toot, toot. The old steam train puffs along the track. It gets faster and faster, and it goes puff, puff, puff. "Look, that's Farmer Dre's farm," said Sam. Says Rusty. But then the train starts slowing down. It goes chuff, chuff, chuff. "What's happening?" says Miss Jones. "The train has broken down," says the driver. "The guard is going to get help." The children get off the train. "Tweet, tweet," says the birds. "Moo," says the cow. Then they hear another noise. "Neigh, neigh." "That sounds like a horse," says Poppy. "Let's go and see." The guard has brought Farmer Dre and his horse Dolly. "Don't worry," he says. "Dolly can pull the carriage back to the station." Everyone gets back in the carriage. Whistle, clunk. Dolly slowly drags the carriage away from the train. It goes squeak, neigh, clip, clop. Poppy and Sam get back to the station, but there's a problem. "Oh no," says Sam. "We left Rusty behind." Then they hear a noise. "They fixed the train," says Poppy, "and they're bringing Rusty back," says Sam. "Hooray! What a day," says Mrs. Boot. Says Rusty.